Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your username on Spotify in 2024. It's a simple and easy process, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change the username for. Okay, so now you have to go to the settings menu by tapping on your profile picture at the top left corner. And now tap on your profile icon. Then tap on Edit. Here you can change your display name. Note that Spotify does not allow you to change your username directly, but you can change your display name, which also acts as your username. Enter your new display name. Once done, click on Save. And as we can see, our display name is updated. This name will be visible to your friends and followers on Spotify. And that's it. You have successfully changed your username on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.